God is somehow forgotten that you are faced with circumstances that you can't go through. And right now it seems like there's no way out, and you're going under. But God's proven time and time again, He'll take care of you.
He'll do it again.
And He'll do it again.
He'll do it again.
He'll do it again. And if you just
Take one look at where you are now and where you've been. Hasn't He always come through for you? He's the same now as then.
oh,
You may not know how, you may not know when. He'll do it again.
God knows the things that you're going through. He knows how you're hurting. And you see, He knows just how your heart has been broken into. And He is the God of the stars, the sun and the sea. And He is our Father. He'll calm your storms. He'll find some ways to fix things for you.
He'll do it again.
He'll do it again.
He'll do it again.
He'll do it again. If you just take
One look at where you are now and where you've been. Hasn't He always come through for you? He's the same now as then. You may not know how, you may not know when.
and
He'll do it again.
God knows the things that you're going through, and He knows how you're hurting. Oh, you see, He knows just how your heart has been broken into. Oh, yeah. Oh, and He's the God of the stars, the sun and the sea. And He is our Father. He'll calm your storms. He'll find some way, oh, to fix things for you. He will do it fail you.
Yes, He's still God.
Yes, He's still God.
You never change.
Never change.
Yes, He's still God.